Learn with Yogesh sir.
Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Yogesh sir. You're watching class 3 English textbook Santosh chapter wise explanation series. And today in this video I will explain you Unit 1 Fun Friends chapter number 1 Colors. So बच्चों let's start. So this is a very small beautiful poem बच्चों. It is about colors, you can see. So you can repeat after me. We have a few crayons, we have a few crayons, red, yellow and blue, red, yellow and blue, green, purple and black, green, purple and black. I have some too, I have some too. I need the red and you need the black. I need the red and you need the black. If we share our crayons, we have a full pack. We have a full pack. Coming to next, some questions again are there. So first question is, how many children are there in the poem? So there are 2 children. We know that because the child says you have a few crayons, I have a few crayons. Obviously there are 2. Why did the children want to share their crayons? Because they have need of different colors. Some of them have different color, and they are like the one is saying I need red and the other one is having red, so that's why they are sharing their crayons. How can the children in the poem have a full pack? By sharing their crayons. When they are sharing their crayons, they are sharing their colors, so they have a full pack of all colors. So drawing and sharing, think and say. What we have to do here, the children in the poem shared their crayons. So let us talk. Do you share the things with your friends? What do you share? So you have to tell the answer of these questions. Imagine you have only 3 crayons, green, blue and red. Talk in pairs. What do you draw? Like green grass, a blue sky, blue river, red apples and red flowers. 6 crayons. So now imagine you have a 6 crayons, a pack of 6 crayons. So let us plan what beautiful scenery can you draw now. Brown mountains, orange sunset, yellow sun. Word unscramble. So what we have to do, the some words are scrambled here. We have to rearrange them to make a meaningful word. So for example, LEBU, तो इससे क्या बनेगा बच्चों? It will be BLUE, blue. Then you can see easily this is yellow, this is green, this is purple, and the last one is brown. Okay, so next is fun with phonic sounds. So fun with phonic sounds बच्चों, the words starting with GR. So GR, in green, GREA, gray, GRASS, grass, GRAPES, grapes, and the last one is grandmother. Then the word with CR, crayons, crab, crane, crow, cradle. The words with DR, draw, drum, dress, drop, dragon. Word with PR, prince, princess, prize, prey, present. You can write some more words starting with PR in the comment box. So let us form a sentence using GR sentence. So you have to use word here, you starting with GR. So for example, you can see my grandmother. In grandmother, there is GR. My grandmother eats green grapes on the grass. So there you can see a lot of words starting with GR, then starting with the DR words. Draw a big dragon playing a red drum. Then CR, the clever crow picked up a colorful crayons. Words with the PR, the princess got a beautiful present as a prize. So what we have to do here in the next rules of the game. Look at the words on the right. Do not read the text word itself. Instead, you say aloud the color of the ink it is written. So if you say yellow printed in green, you must say green. So it means you have to say the colors, the ink colors. Okay, not the words. In words, what is written there. For example, okay. So which color is this? Obviously green. So in this way you have to say the name of the color. What is an action word? This is very important बच्चों. Action word क्या होता है? When we perform some action, okay, then we say that word is action word. So you can see here words that show what a person, animal or things is doing are called action word. In Hindi we call this kriya shabd. In English grammar, we call them verbs. They show action like running, jumping, eating, laughing, and helping. See action words in a sentence. For example, Anu eats an apple. So eats जो है, this is showing us an action. So this is a verb, action word. Then Dinesh dances. So dances is बच्चों action word. नाचना. Faz feeds a fish. So feeds जो है बच्चों, that is an action word. Hari helps Hemant. So helps is an action word, or you can say verb. So you can see some more action word here: laugh, dance, eat, cry, swim, sleep, play, dig, jump, run, write, smile, push. And the Hindi meaning is also given here. And non-action words like carrot, leg, potato, sun, book, face, cat. Actually, these all words are naming word, or you can say nouns. Sold action word grid. What we have to do here, we have to find the action word from this word clause. So like you can see here, walk. Walk. In the same way, you have to find the other like cuff. Okay, give, give, help. Then pour, and open. Next is बच्चों the alphabet adventures, letters A to G. So what you have to do here, you have to make sentences like when we are talking about A. So you will try to use words starting with A letter, like Anu eats an apple. So there are 3 words starting with A. Basu has a bat and a ball. So again, Basu, bat, ball. Chandu likes cabbage, carrot. Dinesh dances day and night. Isha enjoys elephant rides. Faz feeds fish. Govind goes to get guavas. So you can make some more sentences using these letters. Hari helps Hemant. I like ice cream. Jack just jumps down. Kavita keeps the kitchen on her knees. Lata loves lemon. Madhav mix milk and mango pulp. Navneet writes his name on new notebooks. Opens a box. Om opens a box of orange. Prema puts a pencil in her pocket. Queue up quietly. Radha rolls the red ribbon. 6 sparrows sit on a sack. The teacher tells a tale. Usha uses an umbrella. Vishnu visits a village in a van. We see a watchman near the white wall. X is the last letter in ox, fox, and box. Yasmin and Yana are friends. Zebras graze in the zoo. So let us arrange in alphabetical order. What we have to do, jumbled letters are given. We have to arrange them in alphabetic order, like the apple starting with A. So you know A is the first letter of English alphabet. So apple, then B for banana, the C for cherry, G for grape, O for orange. Okay, in the same way you will do the next. Next is bachcho compound words. What are compound words? Just like you, words also have friends. So let us join 2 words to make a brand new words. Like rain plus bow, it will make rainbow. News plus paper will make newspaper. Blue plus berry, blueberry. Basket plus ball, basketball. Earthworm, earthworm. These are called compound words. So this is all about this chapter, bachcho. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, then subscribe, like, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.